What's your name?
My name is Jason Prieto.
How do you spell your family name?
I spell my family name like this: Prieto.
Where are you from?
I am from Sogamoso.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
At the moment, I'm studying.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Actually, I'm very interested because it means to know about other cultures and other customs.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
On my free time, I used to rest or to ride my car to other towns.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
For me, the best way is reading a lot, learning new vocabulary, and practicing my speaking and writing.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
The new skill that I will learn will be to translate very fast on real time.